So in this problem, we need to show that cosine of 6x is given by the expression on the right hand side. Let us begin. So we'll start the problem from the left hand side. We have cosine of 6x, but we are going to express cosine of 6x as cosine of 3 times 2x. And the reason why I'm writing it this fashion, because we have a standard formula for cosine of 3a. So that's given by 4 times cosine cubed a minus 3 times cosine of angle a. Now in the case a is 2x, so here let's use this particular formula. So we should get 4 times cosine cubed a, but a will be 2x minus 3 times cosine of angle 2x. So this can be also expressed as 4 times cosine of 2x whole cubed minus 3 times cosine of 2x. We do have a standard formula for cosine of 2x as well. So if we have cosine of 2a, that can be expressed as 2 times cosine squared a minus 1. Now let's substitute the value of cosine of 2x with 2 times cosine squared x minus 1 whole cubed minus 3 times 2 times cosine squared x minus 1. Now we will expand. So we'll have to take the cube of 2 cosine squared x minus 1. So that's going to give us 8 multiplied to cosine x raised to the power of 6 minus 12 times cosine x raised to the power of 4 added to 6 times cosine squared x minus 1 minus 3 times 2, that will be 6 cosine squared x added to 3. Now let's further simplify. We're going to get 32 cosine x whole raised to the power of 6 minus 48 cosine of x whole raised to the power of 4 plus 18 cosine of x whole squared minus 1. So this is going to be the expansion of cosine of 6x, hence proved.